How to link LiveChat with Base through Zapier. Using Base as your CRM and have LiveChat implemented on your page? Then set up this integration to automatically add chat visitors as contacts in Base. In this tutorial you'll find instructions on how to create a Zap which adds a LiveChat contact as lead in Base CRM after the chat is finished. Creating the Base, LiveChat Zap. Creation of this Zap consists of three main parts. 1. Setting up the trigger, choosing an event that will start data passing to. Configuring the action, setting up what will happen in the target app. 3. Launching the Zap, turning the integration on. You can use a ready-made Zap template to set up this integration. Check it out in LiveChat Zapbook. Setting up LiveChat trigger. The first step to set up this integration is to determine a condition that will trigger an action in your target app. 1. Log into Zapier and click on Make a Zap in the upper menu. Base CRM integration, creating a new Zap. 2. Choose LiveChat as the trigger. App. 3. Select Finish Chat as the trigger. 4. Click on Save and Continue to proceed. 5. Click on Connect a new account and then provide your LiveChat login email and the API key. Next, click on Yes, Continue to accept. 6. You can rename the account and then click on Save and Continue. 7. Select Fetch and continue to test this step and make sure it is working properly. Configuring the action in Base CRM. High time to configure what will happen in your target app after the chat is finished. 8. Choose Base as action. App. 9. Then choose New Lead as the action and confirm by clicking on Continue. 10. Grant Zapier permissions to access your Base providing your API token in the pop-up window. 11. Select your Base account and confirm the choice by clicking on Continue. 12. Next, set up which data will be passed to Base. 13. After you finish, click on Continue button down the page to proceed. 14. Zapier will ask you to test the Zap. Follow the instructions to make sure your Zap is working correctly. 15. Next, click on the Finish button. Launching the Zap. All tested? Let's turn this integration on then. 16. Turn the Zap on by clicking on the gray switch and start passing information from LiveChat to Base. Well done. You have just linked your LiveChat with Base through Zapier. At the end of each chat, it will save the info about your visitor and add it as a new lead in Base CRM.